Hello, my beautiful people. I hope you all are having a fabulous day and a blessed one too. Yes. Today, I would like to give a warm welcome to you all to my kitchen, Sarah's House of Flavor. And today, I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite dish. Yes, one of my favorite dish, and chicken. Yes, some curry chicken I'll be doing today, and I'll be doing it in the traditional way. And when I say I am going to do it in the traditional way, I will be preparing it in the way that I used to see my mom do this dish. So I just want to welcome you, and we're going to start our cooking. But before we go any further, I would like to show you all my ingredients that I'll be using to do this. Are my favorite dish, curry chicken. Okay, so these are some cho-cho. I don't know in other countries what they do call them, but in Jamaica we call them cho-cho. Okay, and it's a vegetable. I do have some pimento seed here. I have some chopped onion. And for sure, you can't do any curry chicken without any carrots. So I have some carrots already chopped. My garlic. My Irish potato. And I have some chicken seasoning here, the powder one. I have my oil. I have salt, just to add a little taste, and I do have my curry powder and my chicken. And as you can see, my chicken is already washed and seasoned. And what I do, I blend all my my herbs together with just to make a paste to put on the chicken, and I let it marinate for a while. And all the ingredients that I use to make the paste, I use scallion, I use thyme, onion, garlic, ginger, pimento seed. Yes, those are all the ingredients that I use to make that paste for my chicken. But you can go ahead, and if you want to use just the powder seasoning, chicken season, free. You do whatever makes you comfortable or easier for you. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the ingredients. And if you take a closer shot over here, I do have my pot and my fire just getting all hot for me to throw the curry, because you have to burn your curry before. Okay, so, and I'm doing it in a Dutch pot. So as you can see, I'm doing it the traditional way. Everything I'm doing it in the traditional way. Okay, so I'm going to add a little oil. Okay, add a little oil here. And I am going to add my curry. And as I said before, you want your curry to burn. Okay, so I turn my flame down a little. Okay, there you go. There you go. So, you can tell me how you prepare your curry chicken. You can leave your comments. If there's any dish that you would like to see me prepare, just leave your comments, okay? So now I am going to add my chicken to my curry, okay? But before I go, let me show you in the pot. Yes, so that's the curry. See how pretty that is? All right, so there you go. Okay, so now I am going to add my chicken. And when you're doing your curry chicken, you don't add the vegetables at the same time with the chicken because you need your chicken to cook. And you know, and we all know that vegetable doesn't take a long time to cook. So let me give this a stir here. There you go. Guys, if you could smell the aroma and the flavor that is coming from this chicken. Cover now and let it just cook for a little while. And I'm going to prepare this dish with some white rice. Yes, curry chicken and white rice. It's a traditional thing in Jamaica. When you're doing curry, it's accompanied by white rice. So that is what I am going to prepare, and then also I'm going to do some vegetables on the side because you know vegetable is a must. Okay, we want to eat a balanced diet with all our food nutrients and everything. So as you can see, I'm leaving this. I'm going to turn my flame up a little bit more. Yeah. And as I progress in the cooking, you will see how the chicken is coming on and how I'm going to add all the vegetables to the chicken and everything. One thing for sure I'm going to add and let this cook with the chicken is my garlic. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add it to the chicken. Yeah. So that's the only seasoning for now that I am going to add to the chicken. Okay, so I will take you on the journey to see the end result of this nice, juicy, delicious, traditional curry chicken. Okay? Okay, my beautiful people, I'm going to take you over here so you can see the chicken. So look at that. So the chicken or the liquid in the pot is getting lower and lower. That means my chicken is simmering down. It is coming to a finishing. So look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And as I said in my previous videos, that chicken doesn't take a long time to cook. But you want to ensure that your chicken is cooked properly. Add all my vegetables to my curry chicken. Vegetable that I told you I was going to prepare. The string bean with the carrot. Yes, that is what I'm going to go. That is going to go along with the curry chicken and rice. And I'm going to use basmati rice. That's a rice I will be preparing. Okay, so these are all the vegetables. So in a little while, I am going to add them to the chicken and let it just cook down, simmer down, and then, oh my God, you will definitely see the end results. Look at that. Let me give you another shot of our curry chicken. Okay, my lovely people, so what I'm going to do now, I am going to go ahead now and I am going to add all my vegetables to my chicken because the chicken is almost cooked now. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add everything. Okay? Okay, let's go. So this is the cho-cho. All right. This is the onion. And the carrots. And the potato. And I'm just going to add just maybe a couple grain of the pimento seed. Not much, because I already add that to my blended herbs when I was doing it, okay? And then I'm going to add a few of the scallion. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rub it here. Yeah. Okay, and then add this to my chicken. So I'm gonna give you a close-up shot to see how this look in the pot with all the different colors and everything. Yes, my if you guys could smell this pot, oh my God. So as I said, this is how I used to see my mom prepare this curry chicken. And I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a little boiling water to this, not much, for the vegetable to cook down a little bit. Okay? So I'm going to add, I don't need any more than that. Look at that. And I'm going to add this Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not going to burst it nor anything because I just need a flavor. So I'm just going to, it's already washed. So I'm going to add it to the pot. So once it's in the pot and you know that the heat take it and everything, it's going to just send out that nice aroma, that nice peppery flavor. Okay, because I don't want to burst it and then we can't eat the food and then I have my son to eat also. Okay, so I am going to show you how this thing look in the pot here. Okay, my beautiful people, so as you can see over here, rice is ready. And look at these string bean with carrot, almost ready. And look at our curry chicken over here. Look at those vegetables. Look at that. Wow. And I will be plating it out so you can see the presentation and everything. But look at that. And anything you want to eat with your curry chicken, you can go ahead. If you want to eat it with spaghetti, want to eat with some yam, banana, Irish potato, whatever you love your curry with, go ahead and have it. Okay? Look at that. And as I said before, guys, any dish that you would like to see me prepare, please just leave it in the comment. Look at that. And please subscribe to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. And also you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So if you love what you see, please give this video a thumbs up. Look at that. So in the next, say, 3 minutes, I will turn the flame off my curry chicken. Welcome back to Sarah's House of Flavor. So this is the end result of our curry chicken. Look at that. So along with the curry chicken, we do have some rice and some vegetable, string beans and carrot, along with a glass of carrot pineapple juice. Okay, so dinner is served. Look at that. Please make your comment. Tell me how you prepare your curry chicken. And any dish you would like to see me prepare, please leave it in the comment. Okay, so look at that. Look at that. I can't wait to dig into this. And please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor, and you also can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And I know it even tastes better. So please, my lovely people, I want to say thank you again for being on this journey with me, for being in the kitchen with me, and I really appreciate sharing all my dishes with you. So have yourself a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.